Right now, in 2026, the government has restarted student loan collections. The collections were briefly paused in January, but make no mistake, the Treasury Department has now officially taken over collections for over 9 million defaulted borrowers. Wage garnishment and tax seizures are coming back very soon. But here's what they're not telling you. For a lot of people, understanding your options right now might actually protect your paycheck better than blindly paying. So, stay with me. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Finance Outpost. If you have federal student loans and you've been stressed about these new collection letters hitting your mailbox, this is the most important video you'll watch this month. The Treasury Department is now officially in charge of collections. The long pause is ending, and millions of borrowers are about to get hit with serious consequences. But here's the thing most creators won't tell you straight. Paying the wrong way right now can actually hurt you more than help. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what happens if you do nothing, what happens if you pay blindly, and the smart moves that can actually save you money and your future. Let's get into it. But first, how bad can it really get? Here's what's happening right now. If you go 270 days without making a payment, your loans officially default. And once that happens, the government has some very powerful tools. They can garnish up to 15% of your disposable income straight from your paycheck, no court needed. They can seize your entire tax refund every year. Your credit score gets hammered for 7 years or more, making it way harder to rent an apartment, buy a car, or even get certain jobs. Collection fees and interest pile on, making your balance balloon even bigger. In some cases, it can even affect your Social Security or professional licenses. Imagine you're making $45,000 to $55,000 a year, and suddenly hundreds of dollars start disappearing from your paycheck. That's rent money, grocery money, gas money. That's your life getting harder almost overnight. And the craziest part, millions of borrowers are already in or near default right now in 2026. You are not alone in this, but many people are panicking and making emotional decisions. But here's where it gets even more difficult. A lot of people watching right now feel deep shame about this. You may feel like a failure. Your family worked hard their whole lives and still struggled, and now you feel guilty for even thinking about not paying immediately. You sit in job interviews trying to get better salaries and sometimes feel guilty for simply wanting a better life. The silence around this is loud. Nobody talks about the loneliness of trying to move forward while people around you say, just pay your debts and stop complaining. But here's the truth many borrowers don't realize. Paying money you truly cannot afford without understanding your options can seriously damage your financial future. Many borrowers are choosing between eating properly and paying loan payments, between keeping the lights on and sending money to a balance that continues growing anyway. And right now, with collections restarting, that pressure is about to become much more real for millions of people. Don't close this video, because the solution part is where everything changes. All right. Let's get to what you actually need to do in 2026. Step 1. Check your status today. Log into studentaid.gov and see exactly where you stand, delinquent, default, or still in good standing. Step 2. Understand the new 2026 changes. Several repayment updates rolled out this year. One of the biggest discussions right now is the Repayment Assistance Plan, also called RAP. A newer income-based repayment option for eligible borrowers. For many people, payments may be reduced significantly depending on income. Here are your smartest moves right now. Option A, loan rehabilitation. You may be able to get out of default by making 9 affordable payments over time. Option B, consolidation. This can sometimes reset your loans, bring them current, and open the door to better repayment options. Option C, switch to an income-driven repayment plan, including newer plans like RAP if eligible. And here's the pro move most people miss. Contact the default resolution group or your loan servicer this week. Many borrowers are successfully lowering their monthly payments simply by switching into a better repayment plan. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start moving in the right direction. Collections have restarted, but your ability to handle this intelligently hasn't disappeared. Being the first person in your family trying to break the cycle doesn't mean you have to destroy yourself financially. If this video gave you clarity and reduced your stress even a little, do these 3 things. Hit the like button, comment the word loans below, and subscribe. You are not alone, and you are not a bad person for wanting a better life. I'll see you in the next video.